Welcome back to fucking Ratchet and Clank. This beautiful ass game. I didn't forget the controls. Yep. Yep. All right. Whoops. 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 Oh shit! And then we're just right into action. Like, how long are you gonna go into this episode without saying anything?
Oh, I was gonna wait until you were gonna point it out.
Oh, thank God I pointed it out that quick, because I'm like, ooh, this is rough.
I thought it'd be hilarious if for an episode I was just quiet.
And I'm just over here just rambling.
Yeah. Oh well, I'll do that in like 6 months again.
Yeah. Let's have fucking conspiracy theories start. Just do a whole episode like I'm just talking. It'll be like, either the audio was fucked up, which is very possible,
Yeah.
or Brian was really trying to play out Vic wasn't there. Whee! Man, this game's fun.
Gotta grind.
Yeah. Leader, we'll be bobbing and we're weaving and we're bobbing and I'm glad I remembered that button.
Yeah.
Wham, cram.
Exactly will we fix the fixer?
Let's make Jet Set Radio. Done.
Was he turned off?
Didn't they?
He was broken.
Didn't they do a remastered and
be
everything?
it.
Yeah. Yeah, I swear they did. Yeah, they already did a Jet Set remastered.
I'm gonna look that up because I don't believe you.
I could be wrong too.
I believe a lot
Very
of things.
possible. But I'm pretty sure they already remastered it, or like they did a re-release or something like that. They did some shit with it.
Oh.
Giant robot.
I am broken, as is everything. Nothing can be fixed.
So they gotta
me.
fix his self-esteem.
Yeah, that's me.
God damn!
Oh, my.
Got that Pacific Rim ass fucking I-beam.
The last release I see is the PC port from 2012.
Is that what I'm thinking? Can't be what I'm thinking.
On the grinding.
I think you're just thinking of another game altogether.
Jet Set Radio.
Yeah.
Jump ahead.
I don't think so. I'm gonna do my research, and you do your research, and we'll get our research as research. No.
Destruction is our natural state.
Was it Future? No, that's so 2002.
Yeah. What the fuck? I don't know what the fuck I'm thinking. There's this crazy ass fucking grind sequence going on. Dope.
Me?
Fighting a Pacific Rim robot, man. Fucking Jaegers and shit. Where's the kaijus? Oh, we've already seen kaijus, right?
I think so. Kaijus and haikus.
Haiku?
Haikun?
Haiku.
Working on it.
You just come up with a character called Haiku.
Should.
Yeah.
Whee!
But anthropomorphized
Pie?
pie. Yeah.
Yes. I love pie. Vic, what's your favorite pie?
Key lime.
Ah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Mine's cherry.
Oh, that's cool. As long as we don't say pecan or pumpkin, we're good. We're not basic bitches. Cause that's what I hear a lot. I hear a lot of pumpkin. I hear a lot of pecan.
Really?
Yeah.
I usually only ever hear someone's favorite pie is pumpkin pie if they're like, oh, with a lot of Cool Whip.
Yeah.
I'm like, I guess that counts, right?
Yeah. I don't know, man. Those are the type of people I don't want around. I'm just kidding.
The ones who like the pumpkin pie with Cool Whip?
Yeah.
I'm so strong. Vic, I'm so strong. Look at me.
improvising.
Hey, we do that. Not well, but we do.
Yeah.
I may be different than I was, but you helped me realize I am still Clank.
I go fight kaijus.
I am quite relieved. When the Vollards asked me to protect them, it opened my eyes.
That's what those things are called, Vollards?
Broken things. So very many.
And you became distressed.
Yeah, okay.
Able to fix a
Lombaxes and bullards and
that all is not lost.
Fucking whatever those other fucking things were.
yeah.
How can
The norms? Norms?
The norms.
Yeah.
No,
Is that what they were? No, they were something.
No, that's the guy from
Well, I know
Cheers.
norms. No, those other things. They were like, hey, don't you know? Fix your fucking ship over there, huh? Remember we dealt with them? We'll probably deal with them in a little bit too.
Thank you.
There's like backtracking the lore in this fucking game.
robot the gift of hope? It should be I.
But probably not norms. But they were named, like they were like a regular ass name.
Snorks.
Snort.
Let's get back
Yo, what was your favorite show? Snorks or Smurfs?
Oh, I hope Ratchet had an easier
Dude,
time.
I didn't never watch that, to be honest.
Feel free to
Neither did I. Just
I don't think I ever woke up early enough to like watch the Snorks or
I was
Snorks.
gonna be very surprised if we had an answer for that.
Yeah,
And if it was Snorks, I'd be like, what the fuck was the difference? 'Cause
yeah.
I mean, not that I used to, but like, I'd watch Smurfs once in a while, right?
Well, I thought one was underwater. I thought the Snorks were
Right.
underwater.
Snorks are underwater, but like, is that the only difference?
I
Is
think
it just?
so.
And they also don't use the word Smurf so fucking sparingly, like the way they do for everything.
upgrade
What am I doing? I'd have more upgrades. Oh yeah, I could do this bad boy. Got all the fucking crystals, bruh.
That is one.
I can upgrade my Doom bots.
That's Billy Crystal. Ah, damn.
This bad gal.
There wasn't any more. There was just Billy Crystal.
Yes.
Billy Crystal.
Oh, I hope Ratchet had an easier time building a
Blue Diamond Phillips. He's a
So, are we gonna talk about you rescuing me back there?
no.
Did?
You did.
It works, I
And
guess.
now
Thanks.
you're living in my dimension.
All I want is validation in life.
Thank you, Ribbit.
Bullard.
Are they just all named Volard? Done here?
Escape.
Scape. I mean, fuck yeah, I guess. Oh wait, did I not do?
Do the
I
thing.
didn't do the pocket dimension. How? Wait, but I've been down here, right? Am I heading the right way? Not.
You can read the map.
Did you ask if I did read the map?
I said you can't. I'm asking if it's possible
Yeah, I can read
because
maps.
I cannot.
Oh no, I can read maps. I just forget like those were a thing, so it launches me. So I had to figure out which one would launch me this direction. Fucking assholes. Go Doombots.
Wait.
Do. And how long can we do that before it gets old? Is it already old?
I don't know, man. You keep doing it, so I guess not. I feel like people like that enough to like not get tired of it.
I mean, I hear it often enough. And not due to my own actions. I don't actively go seeking Crab Ray.
I don't know.
Actually, have you played Rocket League?
Oh.
It pops up on there.
Oh, okay.
Like, more often than I would like.
I've never been into Rocket League.
It's fun. Like, every, so often. You know?
Yeah.
Like, I usually play it with my friend.
Yeah, I mean, I like that it's PvP. I just don't like the whole soccer part of it.
It's, like, the pro side of it, I'm not... Like, that's obviously the sweatiness of the PvP I'm not a fan of, right?
Yeah.
But I do like the gist of it. It's fun. I have a blast, especially like when we're playing on a team. Because I can tell when I play with randos and I queue in, like, I can tell the tryhards.
Yeah, because they're like speed boot and front flip, all that shit.
And every time, like, they fucking score a point, they're like, easy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice
Oh.
shot.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Nice.
Okay. Well, that's what I wanted to happen.
Yeah.
Like,
Let's get back to the ship, shall we?
Yes. Oh, I hope Ratchet.
oh,
has
okay,
enough
we're
time
just
to
at the beginning again.
Dimensionator.
The hell?
So, are we gonna talk about you rescuing me
Okay.
back there?
Woo!
You did. You're
Yee-hoo.
natural even in my dimension.
Wow!
Thank you, Ribbit.
Doesn't do sharp turns. Fucking... Talking about... Yeah, fucking Rocket League.
Rocket League.
Like, I enjoy it as a... I'll say it, a filthy fucking casual.
But yeah. It's good to have those games that you enjoy as a filthy fucking casual.
Right?
You fucking casual.
Filthy fucking casual.
I can't fucking filthy do that, man.
Filthy do that?
Yeah.
Could you just do that?
Probably.
Without the filth, maybe?
Maybe. But I don't know, man. I like
Asking for a lot?
getting invested in a video game and getting better at it.
Right.
And like I like to be good at video games. I gotta get good.
Get good?
Yeah.
I mean, I feel with enough playing of a game like that, you'd eventually get right?
I don't know, because there's a lot of nuances to fucking Rocket League.
No, you're right. I mean, I've definitely picked up on a lot of that, but it's not something I actively go seeking, if that makes sense.
Oh.
Like, I get it. I've gotten better.
Gotta watch the Rocket League World Series.
I gotta watch the Rocket Leagues.
Yeah.
Ah.
World Rocket League.
Yeah, you're right. I actually should.
Oh, it's fucking crazy, man.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
A lot of crabs.
Do.
Oh, damn.
Rocket League. Oh, that was one.
I think I've actually seen a trend.
On what?
Well, on Twitch.
Oh. What is it? Like, goddamn, maybe local shit? I don't
Oh,
know.
no. I don't watch local Rocket League. I'd watch the best of the best.
Best of the best.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
And it gets
Fuck, do I
fucking
get
crazy.
that? Yeah, no, like, Pro Rocket League's insane. I could only hope to be that good one day. With my filthy fucking casual style.
Yeah. Ooh. Casual style. I don't think I have a game like that I'm just casually. I have
No, I can't think of one.
like a unhealthy addiction of video game. I gotta know it. I gotta do it all. I gotta be the best. I gotta get gold.
Fucking go to gold, Vic. Oh, sick war pad.
Teleporter. Nice. Uh-oh.
Hell yeah. Uh-oh, what? Oh.
What did he say? Actually, don't worry about it. I'll tell him.
Well, that's intimidating.
How's the gun?
Whee! Oh, whee! Wah! Fucking, there we go.
Woo!
Yoo-hoo.
Made it back to this.
Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, the be rabbity something. Cordelian.
Ooh, gravity.
Ratchet.
Uraka! Oshako!
I love that drink.
Let me get an ochaku.
Or Choco.
Let me get a large.
It's like a chocolate or horchata, dude.
That actually sounds pretty good.
Dude, I know.
Chocolate.
Is an
Fucking.
ocean.
Can we make this happen?
Pretty cool,
Babish.
right?
Vision with Babish. Make this happen.
Yeah.
If we forge this thing and save the dimension, you'll have a whole universe to explore.
How are you not afraid of the future? With all of its unknown.
Ugh.
I do get.
Oh, good. Constipated?
You asked me on Savali if I wanted to find my family.
Why'd you have to go and make things
So constipated.
I really did. But the closer I got to doing
I feel like that was a highbrow joke.
What if they're not
Yeah.
what I expected? What if I'm not what they expected? I just.
Oh, fucking disgusting.
Anyways,
Oh, fuck.
I think we're here.
Oh, they just had a nice moment and we shit all over it, quite literally.
Yep. Absolutely right.
Damn! Did a flip!
Kadaro Station houses the Emperor's most secret research.
Sick
including
flip.
only one forged strong enough to
What
build a
is?
dimension.
It's a flip.
So
It's thick. It's a flip.
to know.
Wham, 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 wham.
Elevator is descending.
That better not be the only way into the station.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Easy, easy there. Whoa, don't you know there?
I like how they give you out
Oh.
of cues when some.
Right? Oh, I think it's because we have subtitles on. Otherwise, we'd be having to hear it, and we have it kinda low.
Yeah.
So, we had a disadvantage. Oh, I'm out of ammo.
I like
Jukebox,
subtitles.
go! What? Oh, I like subtitles too. But if I... Is it weird to say if I wanted to be immersed into a game like this, I have to take subtitles off?
Yeah, I think so.
Because, like, I would also want to disable the HUD.
Hmm.
To see everything. That makes sense?
Yeah, I don't know. I think the HUD is pretty fucking important. I
It-
think
it
especially,
is.
especially for like not fucking losing your spot on where you are. Like not having a crosshair or like a HUD would be fucking
Guess we're not getting in the front.
Inconvenient?
yeah.
Can we look around?
I mean, you're right, but, like, if I was trying to immerse myself in... Like, maybe not the first time.
Just
through.
dressed up as a Lombax.
Talking. I like this
Yeah.
idea.
It-
Wait,
If
Vic,
you're
are you...
into, if you're into Lombaxes, does that make you a furry?
Fuck, Vic, I was about to ask that question. How dare you cut me off from cutting you off? I was trying to cut you off first. But you didn't have to cut me off.
Ask about furry, so I changed my number.
I just wanted to be a Lombax.
Now I got a text and this is raw. Ooh woo. Some
I want to go over there, but I can't go over there.
I gotta look that up. If you're
If you're into Lombaxes, does it make you a furry?
or not just Lombax, but I guess like mythical creatures. If you want to fuck mythical creatures, does that make you a furry? Like a unicorn.
I guess technically, right? By like a specific definition?
Yeah.
Like, I feel like that's the case, right?
Freeze them in their tracks with Ms. Zircon's newest, the Cold Snap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It does make you a furry?
Fursonas can be any species, hybrids, or even mythical creatures.
Damn it, man. So,
As long as they're anthropomorphic somewhat, I
anthropomorphic,
think.
yes. Up.
Also learned about this place called Fur Affinity Forums.
Did you feel like you needed that in your browser history today, Vic?
Yeah.
Well, you got it. Fucked up that jump.
Yeah, so as long as it's a little bit anthropomorphic, I think it counts.
Kadaro Station
Hold
houses the
on.
Emperor's most
A little bit anthropomorphic? Like,
Yeah.
What's a little bit
Like
anthropomorphic?
it can talk.
Oh, it's our...
Like, or like it has a human penis. Or like, it's looks like it looking like a man.
It looking like a man. That's what makes you furry.
Yeah. If it's an animal that has somewhat anthropomorphized features, you're a furry. You're a furry, Harry.
You're a furry, Harry. Well, I'm glad we had this conversation on what a fucking furry is and what fucking furries is.
Yeah. It's called yipping.
Wow.
That's not even a joke. That's
I know it's not a joke. 'Cause you said the word and I'm like, should I feel dirty that I know this? Wait, do I need to cleanse myself
yeah.
in the waters of Lake Minnetonka?
Animals who have been given human characteristics like an ability to talk or walk on their hind legs.
So, wanna fuck the Lombax, Vic?
I mean, maybe.
I'm not saying no,
Yeah.
but I'm not 100% committed to the idea.
Oh,
Maybe if
man.
it took me out first.
Yeah.
Maybe if it took me to its dimension.
Yeah. If I met their parents.
Maybe if I met their folks, I would be a little more entitled to being a furry. How do I get over there? Like, maybe I'm just not supposed to be here, or like try and get it yet. Like, I'm supposed to come back, right?
I don't know, man.
There's that thing. That thing looks like I could get to that thing.
Fucking thing that keeps breaking.
The dimension.
Oh.
Well, it's fucking Shatter Dimensions, Vic. It's in the title. I'm gonna go for it. Well, I think it was a force field anyway. So,
Yeah.
do these guys just keep respawning?
I mean, you died.
But like, I took them all out. I don't have any more ammo than when I started with.
You gotta enter
Maybe I
the
should
down
stop.
station.
Oh, should I just do that? should I just
Maybe that's why it hasn't let you like find anything, because you haven't done like the first thing.
Well,
either.
that's what I was saying. Like, maybe I'm ahead of myself here. 'Cause
Yeah.
it is telling me to go down. Wow.
In an earlier round.
Oh, maybe that's what I needed to do.
The Blazon must have absorbed the excess energy released by the dimensional chaos. We have
Well, now it's all
shifted to another
snowy.
dimension.
Oh man.
Dimension from the looks of it.
Oh, cool.
Whee! Whee!
Dude, your ass must be freezing.
Oh, maybe now I can do it. Oh, my Doombot stayed.
The elevator's here.
What the hell looking at? Should I
Claw.
The claw. The claw. Oh, I think I can. Cause where is it? It's right there. So maybe I'll see. But I just don't know now. Yeah. I like that fucking portal appeared at the last second.
Yeah. Somebody told me
That you had a boyfriend that looked like a girlfriend.
who looks like an anthropomorphized animal.
It might be a long back.
It might be a unicorn. Yipping around. I didn't want to do it, but then I was like, you know what, fuck it.
Fuck
Why
it.
not?
Yeah, fucking yip it, right?
Yeah, yip it.
Fucking,
Can we make that a term? Instead of saying fuck it?
fucking yip it.
Yeah.
There might be a community that would disagree with us, but
Oh.
sure, why not?
Whatever, man.
Whatever.
Unless you count the Emperor.
I think we're pretty much at episode.
In which case, you cannot.
On the
get
yipping note.
this.
Probably not, but even
oh.
the best family ever.
Oh.
They could still be disappointed in me.
How? You
Then
are
some big
here.
fish.
Can I go to
A few bad guys,
can I
sure.
go to a furry con to
Hey,
pick up
you
chick?
did so many brilliant things.
Like what?
Careful what you wish for, Vic.
Like literal
Maybe.
people that are dressed up as like
Good
chickens.
life in my dimension.
Chick- and they'd be all like peep 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 peep, and I'd be like, "Hey girl, what's up?"
Vic, I am positive that's
Be
part
like,
of the whole fucking thing. I'm positive that's like the kink, right? That is what it is. Like
What?
that. Like you pick like to chicks. Like I'm sure that is part of it. They'll be like, oh, he knows what he's doing. Must be a master yip.
Master Yip. Master Yip was my sensei. Master Yip.
Oh fuck.
Shout out to my sensei.
Master Yip. What it do?
Alright guys, thank you for joining us.
God damn it.
Talk about something else that's weird later.
More yipping. God. How did it turn into this? How did it take us this many episodes to get into the furry conversation?
Yeah, for real.
I think that's an accomplishment.
Yeah.
It took us this long to bring up like yiffing.
It's because we're classy. This is the classy show.
Classy as fuck. But we'll still talk about it.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see y'all next time.
Yeah.
Yeah.